Welcome to Got You Right channel. In this video, I will show you how to turn on sleep mode on Instagram. So, Instagram sleep mode automatically mutes notifications, sends auto replies to direct message, and change your activity status to in sleep mode. With the moon icon during user defined time period, it helps user disconnect from the apps, minimize distraction, and focus with completely logging out or deactivating their account. So, what if you want to turn on this mode on your account? It's very simple. So, first of all, of course, we have to open our Instagram. You can log in into your account. Now you can go to your profile. You can tap on the bottom right here on your profile icon. From here, you can just go on the upper right corner, the three lines over here. Now you can just scroll down and you'll find there is an option time management on this how you use Instagram section. You can just tap on time management. Here you can see your daily average, and here's option sleep mode. By default, your sleep mode is disabled. If you want to turn on, you can just tap on here, and from here I can just tap on the toggle to enable this, and you can set your sleep mode time, the start time and also the end time. Maybe your sleep mode, you start to sleep at 9 and the end time maybe at 5 a.m. And you can also choose the days you want to make it like every day. You can choose all day in here. And if you only want to enable the sleep mode only for Sunday, Monday, you can just disable for the Wednesday, Tuesdays, Friday, and Saturday. But I will just choose on for the all day. After that, you can just tap on save. Now you have enabled your sleep mode on your Instagram. So Instagram will remind you to close Instagram for 9 p.m. to 5 a.m. every day. It's so simple, right? So the benefits when you enable this feature on your Instagram, you can reduce distraction to help users disconnect and focus on other tasks by eliminating constant notification, and also promotes well-being, encourage users to set boundaries and manage their time on the apps, and also alternative to look out, provide a way to take a break without the commitment of completely leaving the platform. It's very simple, right? So that is how to turn on sleep mode on Instagram. Don't forget to like and subscribe and turn on the notification to keep you updated about this channel. Thank you and see you.